Hello, and welcome to today's discussion on digital money transfers. In the world we live in, transferring money instantly, safely, and at no cost is essential. With so many apps available, finding the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we will explore some of the best options for money transfer apps that are both safe and free. First, let's talk about one of the most popular apps, Venmo. It's well known among younger generations for its social media-like interface. Users can send money to friends, split bills, and even leave notes for transactions. Venmo is linked to your bank account or debit card and allows for instant transfers. However, be cautious when sending money to people you don't know, as it offers limited buyer protection. Always double-check the recipient before sending. Next, we have Cash App. This app is straightforward to use, and it offers a unique feature, allowing users to invest in stocks and Bitcoin. Cash App also allows users to transfer money instantly without fees when using a bank account balance or debit card. For safety, it includes two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security. Like Venmo, ensure that you are sending money to someone you trust before confirming the transaction. Moving on, let's discuss Zelle. Zelle is backed by major banks, which makes it a trusted option. If you have a bank app that supports Zelle, money transfers are typically instant and free. You just need the recipient's email address or phone number to send money. One downside is that Zelle does not offer buyer protection or the ability to dispute a transaction, so only send money to people you know and trust. Now, let's explore PayPal. PayPal has been around for a long time and is recognized globally. It allows for sending and receiving money for free when linked to your bank account, but it does charge fees for instant transfers or payments made with a credit card. PayPal offers robust buyer protection, making it a safe choice for purchases. Transactions can take a bit longer than some other apps if not using instant transfer features, but it's still a reliable option. Next in line is Google Pay, which integrates seamlessly with other Google services. This app enables users to send money directly through linked bank accounts and allows for easy payments in stores or online. Google Pay uses advanced security measures such as encryption and multiple authentication layers, ensuring your information is safe. Moreover, there are no fees for sending money to friends, making it a fantastic choice for casual transactions. We should also mention Apple Pay. This app is perfect for those who are deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. Users can send money through iMessage, making transactions quickly and securely. Like Google Pay, Apple Pay uses robust security measures, including tokenization, which protects your bank details. Instant transfers are available, and there are no fees when using your bank account. Another option could be Facebook Pay. Although it might not be the first solution people think of, Facebook Pay allows users to send money directly through Facebook Messenger or Instagram. It's a convenient choice for those already using these platforms. The transactions are secure and free, though it's crucial to remember that, like with other apps, you should only send money to people you trust. Let's not forget about Samsung Pay, which is somewhat similar to Apple Pay, but tailored for Samsung devices. It allows users to make contactless payments and send money to friends and family. Samsung Pay uses advanced security features like tokenization and biometric authentication, ensuring that your transactions remain secure. While not as widely used for person-to-person transfers compared to others, it's an excellent app if you're in the Samsung ecosystem. Lastly, I must mention TransferWise, now known as Wise. While it's primarily used for international transfers, it's worth considering for those sending money overseas. Wise offers real exchange rates with low fees, making it a cost-effective solution. Although it might not be instant like other apps, it's highly secure and gets the job done efficiently. In summary, when considering the safest, free, and instant ways to transfer money via app, remember to weigh the features, security measures, and your personal needs. Apps like Venmo and Cash App are excellent for quick transfers between friends, while Zelle is great for bank-to-bank transfers. PayPal and Google Pay provide robust security for a range of transactions, and specialized apps like Wise are perfect for international transfers. The key takeaway here is to understand that while instant and free transfers are appealing, security should always be your top priority. Only send money to trusted contacts, enable additional security features wherever possible, and stay informed about the app's policies. Thank you for listening, and happy transferring!